Hey guys, and welcome back to RoboCAD. In this 3D CAD modeling tutorial, I will explain you how to model this gear shaft in SolidWorks. And this is a third shaft, so we will create that. So go ahead and click on File on the top left corner right here. Click on New, select Part, and click OK because we are working in the part file. Change the background to plain white and make sure that you are working in MMGS as units. So click on front plane, click on sketch, and create a circle at the origin like this. Right now select smart dimension tool, and here I'm assign a diameter for this circle, which is 25 millimeter. So I will go ahead, click on features, select extruded boss base, and as you can see the material is on the one side of this sketch. So what I will do, I will select here mid plane, and now the material is on both sides, the yellow color material, right? So I will here assign 295 the length of extrusion and check the box. Okay, so what I'll do, I'm gonna assign an appearance to this. So this is in metal, steel, and polished steel. This is an optional step. If you want to skip it, you can skip it. This is not a necessary thing. So now I will select a plane that cut this shaft in half. You can either select the top plane or the right plane. So I'm gonna go ahead, click on the top plane and click on sketch. Right. So I need a reference line. For that I'm gonna select here center line from this midpoint to this origin. I will create a center line, and now I will create a center rectangle on this line like this. Now we'll specify the dimensions for this center rectangle. So length of this line I'm gonna specify as 8 millimeter, right? And the length of this line, which is vertical right now, okay, so I will leave this. First I will assign the distance between this point to this point of the shaft, and this is 20.5 millimeter, right? And now I will double click here and I'll change this dimension to 48. Okay, so the sketch is fully defined. Okay, as you can see it here, fully defined. Go to features, select extruded boss base, and I want material on one side this time, so I will select here blind. As you can see, the material is on one side. I will assign the length as 20.96 millimeter, and you can extrude in either direction. You can change the direction, it's up to you, right? You can extrude this feature in any direction. Okay, so the next thing is I will select this face and click on sketch. Now I will create here a corner rectangle. So drop down this and select very first option, which is the corner rectangle, and create a corner rectangle like this. Okay, now I'll select the smart dimension from this point to this point. It's a little bit tough to find, but I'll find this. And here I will assign a distance of 3.96 millimeter. Okay, and then I will cut this. For that I will go to features, select extruded cut, this one, and I will specify here through all and check the box. So our 3D CAD model of the shaft, which it will be used in the gearbox, is ready. So now you can save it, right? So go ahead and click on file and click on save as, and you can save it as shaft_3, and we will be using this shaft in the gearbox assembly as well.